Molded Case Circuit Breaker, or MCCB, is a protection device that eliminates possible damages in an electrical circuit due to overload or short circuit. A critical device like MCCB therefore requires to reside in a safe condition. Larsen & Toubro offers multifunctional enclosures for this component. Currently available in 2 sizes, these enclosures are a perfect blend of pleasing aesthetics and functionality that suit a variety of requirements. These enclosures meet international safety standards. Size 1 can sustain fault level up to 36 kiloamperes and size 2 up to 50 kiloamperes, which implies that enclosure and door remain intact for such high fault currents. These are sturdy as well as RoHS compliant. The IK08 protection safeguards these enclosures from any impact up to 5 Joule. Size 1 is suitable for up to 125 amperes for following models of MCCB. Size 2 caters to the requirement of 160 amperes to 250 amperes for the following models. Both enclosures offer a host of user-friendly features. 4 mounting holes are provided on the rear of the enclosure for easy and stable mounting. The protrusion is designed to help in protecting the enclosure from seepages through walls. Louvers on both sides of the enclosure help better heat dissipation. The neutral link for TPN sits inside the enclosure. Ample space for cable termination inside the enclosure is a well thought out aspect of the design. This helps in a virtually effortless installation of 3-pole MCCB for 3-phase 4-wire system. Installation of a 4-pole MCCB is equally seamless. Just remove the neutral link for the TPN system and you are ready to install a 4-pole MCCB. The new range of MCCB enclosures from L&T, functional to the core, beautiful and absolutely safe. Truly a lavish home for your MCCB.